As we're waiting, I am going to feed this gentleman with a little bit of pork.
Vegetarian.
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We're 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
My biryani rice is gillis. Gillis.
Oh, that's gonna burn. Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody do set face.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you.
Ming, what do you know about Circular Road?
Circular Road. Circular Road has got a bit of a reputation, right?
Got great places to eat. I know the guys at the Salted Plum. And it's going to be the place of our next cook-up.
That's not fair. That's not fair. You know that that's biased already.
Life's not fair.
So, all right, let's go. Let's go.
Okay,
fine,
come on,
fine.
let's go. Hey, Chef Danelle.
Hey.
How are you?
Hello.
Hey, this is my friend.
Hi,
Ming.
hey. Nice to meet you. We would love to come into your kitchen and, at your choice, pick a dish to give a healthier twist to.
I'll do one version, and Ming will do one version. And you get to decide who is the winner. Yeah.
That sounds fun.
So what dish should we be recreating?
I think the most popular dish we have. Let's do our signature, our Lu Rou Fan.
Stop. Okay.
Do you think you're up for the challenge?
I think I'm more than up for the challenge. Be on your toes.
You need to be on your toes so that you can be a bit taller. And let's go.
Let's go.
Why don't you tell us a little bit more about the Salted Plum?
We're Taiwanese-inspired Tzu restaurant. This is one of our signatures.
It's woogity.
Pork, we braise it for 10 hours. Our egg as well. And then we finish it off with a bit of garlic oil and salt.
That is amazing.
A big mouthful.
What does that prove? You have a big mouth.
The pork is tender. You get that spice note. I can see why people love this dish.
How do you think we can put a healthier twist to this?
Victoria will know what to do. Victoria!
Hey, Chef Danelle, this is Victoria.
Pleasure.
Hi.
Yeah, she's going to give us some inspiration.
First up, we have the humble egg. Now, the egg sometimes gets a bad rep in the industry, but actually it is not associated with bad cholesterol. In fact, a healthy individual can have up to 7 eggs a week.
I shall receive this excellent ingredient.
I have pork shoulder. And for collar here, there's a lot of protein, up to 35% of your daily value of protein found in 100 grams of pork. Pork contains minerals and vitamins, especially vitamin Bs, which is great for brain function. Last but not least, here are some vegetables. We have carrots and bean sprouts. The Health Promotion Board recommends 2 servings of vegetables and 2 servings of fruit per day. More colors means more nutrition, so get colorful.
That's mine. Carrots are mine. I'll take the carrots. I will also take some of this ginger, but pork tends to go well with ginger, so I'm willing to share some of this with you.
Oh, that's sweet of you.
Aww.
You can have this part.
This bit, yeah.
That's
I'm
all
gonna do
you
so
get.
much good with this bit of ginger. I'm gonna do awesome stuff with this, so I'm not worried at all.
All right.
Right.
Well, chefs, fire it up. Let's see what you come up with. All right, guys, there's a lot on the line here. Danelle is a hard man to please. And not only that, the winner is gonna get the golden spoon. You only have 60 minutes to cook your braised pork belly dish, so go for it.
Right.
All right.
What are you up to, Shen?
So I'm making pork collar wraps today.
Wraps? What do you mean pork collar wraps?
Wraps. A
Like-
sandwich. That's what you're really good at, right? So I'm actually gonna make a giam cai relish, and it's gonna have ginger, it's gonna have garlic, it's gonna have all these amazing flavors.
I'll be making a slightly more traditional pork dish myself. I'm using pork shoulder, and together with my pork, I will be cooking a 5-treasure rice in one pot. So, and I'm quite sure it's gonna win. Boys and girls, see, this is a tip, okay? If you use a spoon, you can remove the skin from ginger very easily, like this, you know? Tip from Shen. Use a, no, not from Shen, from me lah.
You don't know who you are today.
So the reason why we're using ginger today is because it has healthy compounds that aid in digestion, soothes nausea, and inflammation. It also tastes really good.
I'm cubing the pork collar, which is a great cut of meat because it is a great source of animal protein and it's got lesser marbling, so it's actually lower in fat. Another thing that I'm adding is fermented soy tofu, which I cannot open.
This is called helping your competitor out.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. I've got the ingredients for my 5-treasure rice. Pressed bean curd, puffed bean curd, a carrot, corn, then rice. I love white rice, but just adding, say, 20% of brown rice into your white rice portion will let you reap the benefits of that extra fiber as well as that nutritional content. So start with 20%, move up from there. A little bit of love makes brown rice taste really good as well.
Hey,
What are
babe.
you doing, Shen?
I'm actually making a relish, pickled mustard greens, and sweet radish.
Well, that's great, Shen. You got your greens, you have your meats, and you have your carbs in the wrap.
I'm quite confident that this will hit the spot.
You hear that, Ming? She's pretty confident. What are you doing with that bean curd?
It's a component of my 5-spice rice. It's gonna add a nice protein punch.
Protein is good for post-workout recovery.
Sorry, can you give me some space there?
I can't watch this.
And I'm done. So that's my relish, all done.
Excuse me. Oh, this is nice and tight and cozy.
Oh, that's nasty.
That's nasty.
Too close for comfort. All right, so this is going to go into the beautiful water bar, and that's going to make it lovely and juicy.
So see, I've got my tau pork, I've got carrot, I've got corn in there, I've got my seasoned water to cook the brown rice, and as I combine this, it's gonna be an awesome bowl of rice.
So what do you think so far?
Looks interesting.
Ming's dish looks very similar to the traditional dish that you guys have already made.
It looks really, really complex. The way
Yeah?
he's braising it, it's gonna be dry. I'm not too sure about that, but it's gonna be flavorful though.
How about Shen over there? That's a bit unorthodox.
Yes, I love wraps, but in a restaurant like this where we serve rice bowls, it's gonna be a challenge for the guests.
All right,
Whoa,
time.
whoa.
Whoa, getting in my way, Shen. Done. Yes, it is. Look at that. Now skinny, tender, pork shoulder.
I'm ready to assemble my pork wrap. I'm done, man.
Rice, cook, please. Why? Why are you not cooking? My rice is taking slightly longer than I expected. It looks kind of fluffy. I actually think it's all right. Let me give it a bit of a taste right now. Go back and done. Very
Okay,
good.
all right, just all right.
All right, time to plate up.
Wow, that really looks brown. Yeah, I mean, you eat with your eyes, right?
I eat with my mouth. So I'm color deficient, but your pork
Are you
dish
colourblind?
looks deficient. There is a difference between deficient and blind.
All right, these look amazing. But remember, the stakes are high here. The winner is gonna get, drumroll, the golden spoon.
Mine. My spoon. Mine.
These are great reinterpretations of a traditional Chinese dish. Ming, tell us a bit about your dish.
So in order to recreate your dish and give it a healthier twist, I've used a less marbled cut of pork shoulder. I've paired this with two items. I have a moist, rich brown rice that I've spiked with carrot, corn, and I have a soft onsen egg.
Shen, tell us about your dish.
Okay, so
This
that's
is not very traditional looking.
No, it isn't. It's a pork collar wrap, and I've used the pork collar because it's less marbled, it's less fat. What I did was I actually sous vide that, and I also made a relish to give it that a little bit of sweetness and tartness.
Please dig in. I hear the crunch.
Tasty.
Of the
a lot of
relish.
texture.
Shall we dig into the next dish? So we got the woogity egg.
Woogity.
Whatever it is.
Goody. Yeah.
Break the yolk.
Manisha.
Invade the yolk.
Okay. What do you think?
You get a lot of textures too, flavors. You get the spice really strong. Very, very interesting.
So there only can be one winner, though. Have you thought about it yet?
Yeah.
Who's it gonna be?
It's a tough one. The winner is
Winner is Chef Ming! Why did you choose it?
well, it keeps the essence of our dish, adding complexities with the healthier ingredients.
All right, can I get the golden spoon?
I've won. And this means so much to me as a young boy. I won and my dish was
Okay,
better.
thank
and then
you. Please.
because
Please.
it wasn't as bad as your dish,
Please.
so my dish was
Have a
better and then
seat.
I won.
I